Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this video is a part 2 of my Forever Young Kristin collection. The first video I did was based on the color Wannabe Brown, and when I uploaded that, that's when Muse Grey was released. So now I have Muse Grey here to review for you guys, and with this one, just like the name itself, it is a grey version. But let's talk about the diameter first. The diameter of this lens is leaning towards much more of a smaller side, not so much an enlarging side. This consists of 12.7mm, and I did mention in my last video I felt that it was a little bit too small on my eyes. However, with the pattern of this, because of the dark rim on the outside, it blends so nicely into my natural eye that it looks like the rim is much more bolder and thicker, which helps to just blend it all nicely, but also give me this really minimal enlargement on my eyes. I personally feel that this grey one is so much nicer than the brown, personally, just because I feel like this grey really reminds me a lot of the double tone grey. It is absolutely gorgeous, where it has this really nice cool tone light grey on the inside, and then on the outside you get that dark brown black border. What I really like about this Muse Grey compared to the brown is just I find that this Muse Grey is much more obvious on the eyes, is much more attractive looking, it's much more brighter looking as well. The brown is also really beautiful because it's much more like natural looking, but if you want like a bit of a pop of color on your eyes, something more obvious, something that goes, wow, what are you wearing, that kind of look, the Muse Grey would be perfect for you. And also I feel like somehow this Muse Grey tends to give me more of that enlargement compared to the brown. The brown one looks much more smaller compared to the grey. It's so hard to explain, but that's how I personally feel. But yeah, I absolutely love this one, but I'll also feature like the brown one for you guys to see too. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.